Well, hello. It's December 26th, 2023. We only got a few days left for the year. I'm walking to downtown. I am on Broad Street, the corner of Broad Street and Prince Street, and I'm heading to Main Street. And because someone stopped by my live stream, they said they like the Danielson stuff. This is Danielson, the quiet corner. Idyllic. I'll take a few pictures. So this portion of the road is closed. And the church that is kind of like the icon for the town. Now this used to be a lumberyard, and then they turned it into a bunch of clubs. It was the second rain desert, and then it was the Argyle rhinoceros, and then a bunch of others, and now it's not doing anything, as you can see. But the structure looks alright. I kind of want to ask these people. It looks like a kid's table. 5-legged table is kind of unique. I wonder if they're getting rid of that, or if I should find out. Not that I need a 5-legged table, but wouldn't that be? This is the Imperial Room, which is a big room for, you know, wedding parties and receptions and stuff like that. And had a few parties in there. We got the Burroughs Brewing Company. I think they make their own beer, I think. We're on the little section that's Furnace Street. And you get your tattoos. That's the NK restaurant where I ate. And the Asian market, which used to be down on Dyer Street, has moved over here. And I guess we got a tile store. We are on Main Street. And it looks like there's a construction hubbub going on down there. Find out about that later. Hometown. Sunny side over there. Clock. Main Street on the 26th. I am going to order a slice or two of pizza from Pizza Pizzazz, which actually has really good stuff. I think that might even actually be the right time too. I always kind of like that. I'm glad that they protected it, because got the church over there. Got the manger. And then Bugby. And now I'm heading back. I'm gonna get some stuff. Got the town hall right there. It took me years to figure out the town is Killingly. The borough. The borough is Danielson. The Mandalay Salon and Spa. And Lucky's Liquor Outlet. That's something new. I guess you're getting more Thai. I think this is new. The hermit crab with the... So. Very nice. That's... I don't know if you can read that. Now you can.